Every luxury material begins with a closely monitored origin.
Precision tracking ensures only approved sources enter the process.
Controlled environments maintain both safety and traceability. Inspection begins long before factory walls are reached. The transition from field to factory marks the next stage of transformation.
Secured within steel walls, the journey continues under strict control. Distance is covered with precision and uninterrupted monitoring. Conditions are controlled to preserve every natural detail.
Every movement is verified before the journey continues.
The destination comes into view, where transformation begins.
Arrival marks the handoff from transport to production.
This facility stands as the heart of precision leather craftsmanship.
Movement inside the facility is guided with organized coordination.
Positioning is critical before any material is handled.
All right, I'm releasing the tension now.
Got it. Watch your fingers on that buckle.
The material now enters the controlled production environment.
Every batch begins its journey in the receiving and intake zone.
Materials are handled with care to preserve their natural quality. Initial cleaning removes surface impurities before deeper processing.
Sorting ensures only suitable material proceeds to the next stage.
Refinement begins by removing imperfections with precision.
Prepared materials now advance toward core transformation systems.
Core processing begins with carefully prepared chemical environments. Controlled immersion allows the material to absorb essential treatments. Rotation ensures uniform treatment across every layer. Precision monitoring maintains consistency throughout processing. Neutralization prepares the material for structural transformation. The material now moves forward, ready for refinement and shaping.
Drying stabilizes the material after intensive processing.
Temperature and airflow are carefully regulated for uniform drying. Conditioning restores elasticity and prepares the surface for finishing.
Surface refinement enhances both appearance and consistency.
Each pattern is preserved, while its clarity is carefully enhanced.
Automation synchronizes every movement across the production floor.
Precision robotics ensure perfect positioning at every step.
Sensors continuously monitor quality in real time. Automated systems detect even the smallest irregularities.
I keep bringing you useful AI-based videos. One like and subscribe. What really supports me? Watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comments.
Sorting channels materials into their final refinement paths. Every system works together to maintain continuous production flow. Finishing layers bring depth, protection, and uniformity.
Polishing enhances both texture and visual appeal.
Drying locks in the final finish with stability and balance. Every surface is reviewed with meticulous attention.
In the lab, every batch is validated before approval.
Controlled lighting reveals even the smallest surface details.
Exact measurements ensure uniformity across every sheet.
Stress testing confirms strength under real-world usage.
Surface resilience determines long-term luxury performance.
The final stage begins with careful protection of each finished piece. Each package is sealed and labeled for traceability and delivery.
Structured stacking ensures safe handling and efficient storage.
Finished products are stored securely, awaiting distribution.
From warehouse to transport, each shipment is handled with precision.
And this is how modern factories produce monkey pattern luxury leather from start to finish. Comment what's next.